welcome. Shobhaji, Venkatesh sir, Sandhya ji, Kavita ji.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste, namaste.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Kavita ji.
Namaste.
Kavita ji, are you
Namaste.
new to this?
Namaste.
Yes, namaste, namaste. Are you new to this?
Namaste, madam.
Okay, so let's begin the session. So I would love.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, मैडम.
Yes.
आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
Is it? Am I audible, everyone?
Audible लेकिन आवाज ब्रेक है.
Is it okay? A network issue from my
Very
side.
audible just now, Pooja.
Oh, okay, okay. Yes, hello, Vijayalakshmi ji.
Good evening, Pooja.
Hello. Yes. So try to switch on your camera, everyone. Very nice to see everyone. Okay. Yeah. Tulsi ji, hello.
Yes, my camera is working today.
Okay. Yes. Fine. So let's begin the session. So I hope you all are excited for this master class. So if you're outside, it's okay. Suman ji, it's okay. Completely fine. Okay. So unless you're driving or if you're out, it's okay. Not an issue. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So nice to see you all.
Thank
So
you.
before we begin the session, so we have a few of our students who have already tried color numerology. And I would love to tell you how it has impacted their life and their clients' success story as well. Okay. So hello, Madhuji. So Venkatesh,
Hello.
are you there, sir? Venkatesh, sir.
I'm here.
Namaste, sir. Namaste.
Namaste, madam.
Yes. So, sir, would you like to share?
Madam, I will talk after half an hour, madam. Some guests are coming, madam, please, huh?
Is it okay?
Okay, right. Please.
Okay. Yes, sir. So, will you share your feedback after?
After half an hour, madam.
Okay, sure, sir.
Please, madam. Okay.
Yes. And, how about others? Madhuri or Tulsi ji, would you like to share your experience on color numerology?
Yeah, so last time when I attended your color numerology,
Yes.
so my son had lost his job and he was trying to, he was applying and all those things.
Yes.
So he had given some numbers and I diligently put that. And yeah, after 2 months he got a job and is now started working now.
Wow, that's amazing, Madhuri.
Yes.
Very nice.
So it was really good.
Yes. So what was the time duration, Madhuji? So how many days, how many months did you try?
No, I told him to put, so he I think put it for a month.
For a month, okay.
For a month he did it continuously.
Okay.
So there was one symbol, one red में 3 का that one
yeah.
symbol.
Yes.
That one and 2 numbers that I told him, and he had been doing that.
Fantastic. Very nice. Congratulations to you and your
Thank you. Yes. Thank you so much.
Yes, welcome. Unbelievable, right, Madhuji?
Yes. So my children, they just do it because I tell them to do, not that
Yeah.
they keep laughing. Ma, if colors can do, I mean, anything can happen. That's what the general this thing is.
Yeah.
But then he diligently did, and he said, "Yeah, okay, it works. I think."
Yes.
He has reached there, so it is good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Welcome, Madhuji. So
Yeah.
happy to know more about this. Okay, it's excellent.
Recording
Many people have this doubt because initially nobody will believe it, but only if you experience few things, right? So you can confidently share your experience and everything. Yes, I think somebody is asking a question. Yes, Kavita.
Yeah, recording मिलेगी session की?
What? Sorry?
Recording मिलेगी? Recording मिलेगी क्या इसके?
Yes, definitely. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, welcome. Hello, Swati Kashmiri Babu. Hello. Yes.
Hello.
And Tulsi ji. Yes. Tulsi ji, would you like to share your experience, Tulsi ji?
Yes, Pooja. I mean, among all the things which you have given,
Yes.
the 319, Aswaha, with the symbol.
Yeah.
I have been using that regularly. So in between, I had forgotten, in the sense I was too much in pain and all. I'd given up using it. And somehow I was feeling very disturbed and there's something that was not right. And then suddenly I remembered, oh my God, this I used to put every day, and let me start again. And ever since that, my general thing about wanting to walk, my confidence to try and walk, get up, etc., has improved day by day. And that's a
Wow.
magical number, seriously.
Wow.
Thank you so
Fantastic.
much. Thank you.
Wow, great, Tulsi Jain. How is your spine related issue?
It's slowly improving. I mean, bit by bit, of course.
Okay.
But yes, I am standing up. I'm now trying to walk a little bit without any support.
Wow.
So, like your little kid, I'm learning baby steps again.
Awesome. Very, very nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Bless you.
welcome, Tulsi.
Bless you.
Yes, thank you. Yes, this is the power of number. Okay, so when you have, so when you understand the concept of colors and numbers, so this is the combination of numerology and color therapy. See, as we all know, each color has impact. Everything has pros and cons. Okay, every number color has advantage and disadvantage also. Okay, so it's not like you have to use this color forever and all. So everything will have side effect if you use it for very long time. Okay, not every numbers, but there are specific numbers. Okay, like I mentioned on number 0, so I'd given one remedy, and that too we'll be having in basic class. Okay, so I told this person to try it for 3 days only. She tried for 1 month and something happened, and I scolded her. But there is time duration for everything, because too much is too bad, whatever it is. So if I ask you to stay for 24 hours, will you switch on your camera and stay? Obviously you can't. So everything has time duration, and this is how you are supposed to do it. Okay, so so how many of you attended the previous session? I think we had last week also on color numerology concept. No? Okay, so I will share that recording also. Please watch it. And today we'll be talking about few numbers, and I'm going to mute everybody. So if you have any doubts, you can digitally raise your hand. Okay. Because there'll be too much of disturbance. Okay, so starting with color therapy. So recording will be shared, so don't worry about the recording. So talking about color therapy. So color therapy is something which can do only magic. So if you have cold, cough, or whatever, so from cough to cancer, everything just with the help of sketch pen. So if you are hearing this for the first time, or if you have attended other free session also, you might doubt the concept itself. Like, how is sketch pen going to treat and everything? Each color has impact. Okay, our body is so beautifully created, so we can see similarity between universe, body, and our palm. Okay, so this explanation, I'll be doing one more session on Tulya Artata concept, which is basic concept on acupressure. Okay, so even if you have headache, leg pain, knee pain, everything in detail I'm going to share in next batch, next free session. Okay, so talking about colors, so each color has impact, and each color is associated with a number. Okay, for example, now we have 10 elements in acupressure. Okay, 10 elements in color therapy concept. So each color has each number has 2 colors. So to increase one element, we use this color, and to decrease the same element, we use different color. Okay, for example, number 3 in color therapy is heat. Number 3 is Agni. So whenever you have excess heat in the body, obviously you're going to reduce heat. Okay, so to decrease this element, we have particular color. To increase this element, we have particular color. Okay. And no, so this is how we are going to dive deep into color therapy and color numerology concept. It's excellent. Like we have masterclass basic course level 1, level 2, and level 3. So those have completed level 3. So in previous session we had Chandrika ji, who have just come out of sciatica pain and eye twitching problem. So we all know eye twitching, so some people might have eye twitching issue just with colors, numbers. And in third level also I teach some symbols and all, extremely powerful. So this is just going to heal everything. So all you have to do is believe in this concept. So even if you have that doubt, how is this going to work? Now let's say you're trying the number 3, number 4, or whatever. So you have doubt, is this really going to work? With that intention, if you put, it's definitely not going to work. Okay. So yeah, so this is how it is. So each number has so much of impact. And there are so many cases where they have sold properties, they have bought new property and everything. Okay, so this is the power of numbers. Okay, yeah, and we'll be doing on customized, healing as well. So depending on your date of birth, which color, which number suits the best. Okay, so this is how we're going to dive deep in level 1, especially level 1, level 2, and all. Okay, but when I say basic course also, just don't take it lightly, because one of my student, after attending basic course, so she had client who had infertility issue. So just by giving number 0, 7, 8, and everything, right? So the person was able to conceive. That, that's all, nothing else, so no medicine. Like that was the best feedback ever. So if possible, I'll share the video testimony on the group. Okay. So in basic course, we are going to dive deep into the concept of 0. So let me tell you what is the power of number 0. Okay. So 0 is, so if you see the graph of 0, it starts from here and ends the same place. Okay, so if you see the graph of 0, okay, so starting point and the ending point is the same thing. And same thing with our life also. So we all know we are going to, so we come alone and die alone, but still we get so attached to all the materialistic things. So we all know world is illusion, Maya, and everything. That emotions can control our life, it can control our mind. So how to come out of it? So this class is not based only on color therapy, just read number 4, number 7, and everything. So we're going to dive deep into philosophical aspect as well. So it's more like spirituality, philosophy, combination of everything. Okay, so when we talk about number 0, so 0 is all about going back to nothingness, 0 state of mind. It's a complete rest zone. So what is resting state? For example, when you switch off your phone, what happens? So obviously you can't use your phone. So your phone is resting. And whenever you go to sleep also, what are you doing exactly? You're in deep state of relaxation. And that is what number 0 does. Now close your eyes, everyone. Close your eyes just for 2 minutes. So try to see what kind of thoughts you get. I'm asking you to do it for 2 minutes only. Not more than that, not less than that. See what thoughts you get, what kind of emotions, so what exactly comes. So now I'm asking you to focus on your breath. Just inhale and exhale. Two minutes of silence. Let's see what happens. Now you may slowly open your eyes. How many thoughts did you have? At least 3, 4, 5 thoughts, Swati. Okay. How many thoughts? 2 thoughts. Okay. How many of you had 10, 20? Some of you might. Okay, Nandini ji. Yes. No. 2. Okay. So see, we are so caught up in this materialistic things, like for example, now let's say there are 100 of us, no, offline a class or something, live event. 100 members are there. Now there are 98 people who will give you some nice compliment, but there are 2 people who might give you some bad reviews or whatever it is, a bad compliment, or try to insult you, try to pull you down. What happens, so you will keep recalling all the negative things more than 98 good feedback, so this is how we are conditioned. Okay, so throughout your life, if the person is good to you, and that's why they tell it, so until you lose something, you won't understand the value. So this is the same thing, so many things, so day to day, everything, universe is just working for us, but we take everything for granted. And most of the time, as soon as you wake up until you go to bed, how many negative thoughts will you have? How many thoughts? Are you controlling your mind or your mind is controlling you? So think about it. Okay. So for everything, you have to go to zero state of mind. So how to do this? Try this for 3 days. And I'm warning each and every one of you. So try it for 2 or 3 days and not more than 3 days. Okay, so Kavita ji is saying all negative. Okay. Okay, so remember one thing. So what I have learned through my experience of, 10 years of experience, and acupressure, color therapy, and everything is in our hands. It's just that we don't have wisdom to analyze our own body, to analyze our own emotions, our mind. Okay, because we are conditioned this way. Okay, so how many of you have shame, guilt, regret, all the negative things stored in our body? Even if you are the best person in your family, best person in whatever, whole community or whatever, you still have that guilt, regret, shame, and that is controlling your mind. If anybody would have told you anything, insecurity, instability, so all these things are still controlling your mind. And because of this feeling, you're not having opportunity, or you don't have space to create something new. Okay, so you don't have space to allow good things in your life. Okay, so for everything, you just have to switch off for a while. Okay, so this is the first thing I ask everyone to do. Okay, so even if you're not attending basic course level 1 and all, right, so zero can do healing, which nobody can do it. Literally, I'm telling this, and I will tell you the side effect also. So when I say side effect, nothing danger, but you might feel tired. tired, or you might feel like crying or everything, because we all are told to suppress our feelings. Suppress your feelings, stay strong, don't cry and everything. But knowingly, unknowingly, see, remember one thing: when your emotions don't have capacity to handle the situation, your body remembers everything. And that's why we have so much of fat in our body. Okay, we have pain in our body, and we have all these tiredness and everything, all these uh, physical symptoms. Why physical symptoms? Because somewhere your emotions are not ready to handle the situation, or unable to accept the fact, okay, she did this, or this situation have happened, or unable to accept death of a loved ones or something. So this is how everything is stored in our body. So to remove everything, so there is procedure for everything. Okay, for everything, the root cause is to go back to zero state. Go back to zero state of mind, because everything starts from nothingness. Everything starts from nothingness. So even for a new creation, uh, I'll give you another example. So if you have seed, methi seed or any seed, only if you put it in soil and if you cover it, what is that seed facing? Darkness. Life also begins in darkness, life ends in darkness. So this is the concept of zero. And the color of zero is also black color. Black is all about darkness. So if you feel your life is all about darkness, nothing good is happening, so this is the best time to utilize and see what's the best thing for you. No, you can just do a lot of inner work. Many people think I have depression, I'm suffering from depression. Depression is also like addiction. You just don't want good things to happen. You keep suffering and you're just fine with it. So come out of this, whatever phrase you're facing, depression, anxiety, and everything. It's not worth your time. And so when you are depressed, also, you're attracting all the negative things, which are not even there in reality. So you think this is your reality, and you stay in this reality for a very long time. Okay. So I hope you all are ready to try this remedy. So just take black color. Take black color and apply, just write number 0 on your right thumb below the nail. So when you try this, you will get good quality sleep. Okay, and you might feel tired also, because from so many days, so many months, or from so many years, your body would be begging you for rest, sleep. But you are like, no, I have to complete this task. I have to complete that task. So you keep yourself so busy and occupied that you don't respect your body. Okay. And now suddenly, just like a sudden bomb blast, your body is like, give me rest. So you have to try this. Everyone should try this, because only if you try this, you can actually understand what's happening within your body. So what is actually triggering you emotionally, mentally, or physically? This will give you answer only if you stay in that conscious state of mind. Okay, so this will help you to come out of this negative phase, negative thinking, or repeating patterns and everything. So just try number 0 with black color on your right thumb below the nail. When you try this, you will see changes for sure. For each person it's different. It's only on your right thumb, not left thumb. It's only on your right thumb. Just try this and see. And then second remedy. So the two things are there. Just take a small sheet of paper, write number 0 in black color and paste it in your bedroom. And please don't panic if you feel like crying, or because you're releasing everything that is not necessary in your body. Many people think, I have side effect and everything. So I'll make them understand. So these are the things. So if you are someone who have suppressed your anger, suppressed your any feeling, so everything will just come out. You might feel like crying, you might feel like sleeping whole day, it's okay. So just take 3 days break and come out of this situation. Okay. Or else, if you are still okay with suppressing all your feelings, after 5 years or after 10 years, all your physical issues will become so chronic that there will be no root cause to come out of the situation. For example, chronic diabetes, chronic any issue, it can be cancer also. So the root cause, it's better if you treat the root cause itself. Okay, and it's the right time to do. So make sure you all try this number 0. Extremely powerful, extremely powerful. And there's so many things, So when you try number 0, just try it for 3 days and please set alarm and don't forget to do the last procedure. So after 3 days, you can just tear the sheet and throw it in dustbin. Okay, and let me give you one more remedy. For example, now let's say somebody tried, I'll read the chat box later, else I'll just miss the flow. Now let's say you tried number 0, you pasted in your bedroom. You can paste it in any direction. So it's not according to Vastu and also you can paste it in any direction. Now, for example, if you try number 0 in a sheet of paper, and suddenly if you feel like crying or whatever, don't panic, like I've already told you. So there's one more alternative where you can try a pink color on your right middle finger below the nail. So just below the nail, put pink color. I will share the picture. So how to apply colors and everything. So make sure you try pink color below your right middle finger. So if this is your right middle finger, make sure you put pink color just below the nail. Make sure the shape is circle and shade this circle completely. Okay. So this will make you feel happy only if it's chronic. Okay. So only if you have chronic depression, anxiety or whatever it is. And if you suddenly feel like, oh my God, suddenly what happened? What's wrong with me? Okay. Then you can try this. And let me tell you, so I conduct different programs. I just can't finish anything within 1 hour. So let it be anything, color numerology, inner child healing, chakra healing and all. So I can conduct the session for 3-4 months because the concept is so huge. So let me make it very short and crisp. Now, so talking about inner child healing, for example, if you have had any issues with your mother or father, okay, or if you would have missed their presence, for example, you were just 12 years and your father passed away. You were just 7 years and your mother passed away. Okay, that wound is still there in your body. Even if you say it's okay, I'm fine, nothing is wrong with me, your body cells remembers every memory. Okay, your body remembers everything. You might be like, how is this even possible? Okay, so do you know how your grandmother looked? Do you know what was her facial features? But her nose might be like yours, so you never know. So we carry that genes, so this is how it is. We carry so many things from our ancestors. We would have carried their trauma also. First, clear your trauma. So whatever traumas you would have gone through. Okay, so during your childhood days or whatever it is, so make sure you try this remedy. It's that powerful. So when we talk about each number, so this is the kind of detail I talk about, so each number is so powerful and everything starts with 0. Okay, so paste it in your bedroom for 3 days and just stare it and see how you feel. Okay, your body will always give you signal very beautifully. Okay, so for example, if you have any issue related to shoulder, so it's like you're carrying that extra burden. So what is that extra burden? So when I say extra burden, it can be mentally, emotionally, something which is unnecessary, but you are carrying that baggage from a long time. So your body is asking you to release it mentally first. But what we all do, we all take medicines, we go to doctor to ask what is wrong with us, which is a mistake actually. So we all should have that wisdom to analyze ourselves. Okay, so each body part talks about something. Okay, so there are many things, so when we talk about eye irritation, okay, somewhere you might have lot of anger issue, dry eyes, or any eye related issue. So your body is asking you to release everything. Okay, so this is the concept of number 0. So go to 0 state of mind whenever it's necessary. Okay, so all your traumas will just come out. You might not realize it, but if you do it on a regular basis, so if you are someone who want to do this procedure, make sure you try this every week, thrice a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, write number 0, paste it. Okay, after third day, just tear that sheet and throw it away. And next week again you can try the same thing. So if you do it for 1 month, the kind of changes what you see is miracle. Okay, and all my students are super religious, like Tulsi ji, Madhavi ji, they do it on a regular basis. And many people, there are people who need instant result, just like 2 minutes Maggie. 2 minutes Maggie. Color therapy doesn't work like that. Okay, you will see instant changes in your body also. So it all depends on your your body type. Okay, so it's a very huge concept. So try with number 0. Madhavi ji or anyone, Vijay Lakshmi ji, Tulsi ji, have you tried number 0? Madhavi ji, I think Venkatesh sir have tried this, but he's busy now. Tulsi ji, Vijay Lakshmi ji, anyone?
You just want us to write number 0 in black and
Black.
leave it, and after 3 days, tear it and throw.
Yeah, yes, Madhavi ji.
You don't have to write it every day, no?
Not every day, no. Big
Okay.
no. Yes.
I'll try it.
Yes.
Tell you.
Sure. So I would like to tell one more thing. So one of my student, in spite of giving details, so much of instruct and details, she tried it for 1 month, writing 0 in a sheet of paper. She wrote it for 1 month, and at last what happened? Something very bad, like the family had lot of issues, fighting and everything. Why? Because your body is asking you to release that trauma, release it. Okay, so when you don't know how to release it, if you keep it for very long time, because of that frustration, you will start showing your frustration on your family members unnecessarily. So we show our frustration to our loved ones. So you won't show this frustration to your neighbors whom you don't know. So we always show our frustration towards our parents, our husband, wife, and all. Okay, and that's why I'm telling there is limitation for everything. So try it for 3 days and see how you feel. Okay, so after third day, compulsory. Fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, try pink color over here. So the kind of relaxation or relief what you have will be amazing. Okay. So, so just, and one more thing. So when you write number 0 on a sheet of paper, so see what kind of thoughts are you getting, because it's so powerful. Okay. It's the same concept I teach in level 3 to do karmic healing. So there's a different procedure where I teach about symbol and everything. So when you write number 0, see what kind of thoughts you get and write it. So I feel like crying because of dash dash dash. I am having a lot of frustration because of dash dash dash. Just do journaling as well. So when you do this, just write everything in a sheet of paper and tear that sheet and throw it in dustbin. Don't burn and all. So don't burn that sheet and all. So just tear it and throw it in dustbin. Okay. So do this for 3 days compulsory, because we never know what kind of traumas you have stored in your body also. Your body will definitely give you a sign. Okay. So just trust the process. That's all I'm asking. Okay. So this is on number 0. Okay. And then talking about number 1. Number 1, according to Ayurvedic acupressure, is Akash. So we have 10 elements in our body. So we're doing this in basic class, Akash, Vayu, Agni, Jal, Prithvi, Kal, Disha, Man, Atma, Tam. Okay. So first element is Akash, and your right little finger represents Akash element. So Akash is sky. So we all know Akash means sky. Okay. So when you see sky, what comes to your mind? How do you feel? Expansion. Okay. Broad. So space is so vast, so there's no limitation. Okay. Expansion. Okay. So one is all about space. So one of my student, infinity. Yes, infinity. Yes, perfect. Andini. One of my student had consulted somebody, the same thing, color numerology and everything. So the person told, write number 1 in purple color and paste it in bedroom. Please don't ever do this. So 1 creates lot of space between you and whoever is there in a bed, like whoever uses the bedroom. It creates lot of space. What will happen if there is space between husband and wife? Separation. All these things will happen. And that's why I'm saying everything has pros and cons and everything has limitation. Okay. She tried this and she had this intention of having good relationship with her daughter. Okay. She tried this remedy for many months, not 1 month also. She tried for many months, and daughter just left the house and went off because this created lot of space. Okay. So any diagram or whatever is there in your house, right? So the curtain design, everything has so much of impact. And we keep wondering, I'm a very good person. Why things are not working the way I want and everything. Okay. Everything has energy. Your cupboard design, mirror, if you have any designs and all, interior design, everything has some or the other meaning. Okay. Some people still think I'm mad because I talk so many things, and I'm perfectly fine. If you are thinking this way, it's okay. But every shape, every size, every diagram has some energy. Okay. So we are not mad to write swastik, om and everything, because that also has energy. Okay. So this is the power of colors, numbers, symbols and everything. Okay. So now number 1, so you can take purple color sketch pen and write number 1 below the nail plate. So right little finger below the nail. So who should try this? So if you are someone who can never divert your mind into something positive, always, always in this same shell. Now let's say this is on small shell. Your mind is just thinking about this. Okay, somebody scolded something, insulted you. There are people, toxic people. Uh, they will stay in your life for a reason. Not to destroy you. Please, have this realization. Many people are suffering because of this, because 10 years back somebody told you, or even if you're in joint family or whatever, people are here to trigger you so that you become strong and learn your patterns. But we all take it in other way. We all suffer, we all think about those people. So we don't understand what is reality and what is your mind talking about. Okay. So we all think whatever your mind is saying, that is only a reality. Somebody would have told you, example, somebody would have told you, oh, you look like a donkey. So you will be like, okay, she told me this, she told me this. So you live in that reality only. Okay. So if you are someone unable to come out of this thinking pattern, okay, so you're living in the small shell, always thinking about the same pattern over and over and over again. So to divert your mind, to think in a different perspective, we use number 1 in purple color to divert your mind. Now let's say you had a small fight or big fight on your home, your room. Okay, so when you come back to your room or when you come back home, you again think about the same pattern. But if you go stand in terrace and just lie down, look at the sky, you will feel your problems are so small. Okay, so if you are someone who loves traveling and all, so stand in front of mountains, beaches and everything, you'll feel, okay, life is so great. So this is how you feel when you try number 1 in purple color. There are people who would have forgot they had some problem, mind related issue, because Akash element will help you to expand and think beyond your limitation. So this is the power of number 1 in purple color. Okay, so this is on 1, and we can still talk more about each number. This concept is so huge that I can talk about each number for 3 hours. The concept is so huge. Okay, so this is on number 1. Okay, number 1 and 0. Okay, and let me tell you about number 5. Number 5 in orange color. Okay, and I'll tell you the location also. It's on your right ring finger below the nail plate. So right ring finger below the nail. Just add number 5 in orange color. If you are holding on to something for a very long time. So previous session we spoke about number 2. So you can refer that recording. Okay, so I will share it again on the group. So 2 will help you to come out of depression, anger issue, mood swing and everything. So today let's talk about number 5. So 5, according to color therapy, is Prithvi element. So Prithvi is so strong. So we all know it's bearing so many millions of million people's population. Okay, so if you have that strong attachment with all the past things that have happened in your life, all the negative things. She told me this, so these things are happening. She told me that, Okay, or somebody slapped me 3 years back, and that's why my situation is like this. So when you are holding on to all the negative things, okay, so just let it go. You're just carrying everything like this, you're just carrying all the unnecessary burden. So this will help you to let go of everything that is unnecessary. So you can write number 5 in orange color over here. Okay, everything will be gone. Just try this. And let me tell you, it won't be like a cakewalk. So don't have super, expectations. So don't have these amazing expectations that, oh, if I try number 5, I'll be happy. No. So anything that you have been holding on to will start releasing. So you know how things will release? So by crying. Or suddenly some memories might pop up. You might feel like crying. Please go through these stages. Only if you can face your issues, you will be able to come out. Throughout our life, so, problem is just like a ball. So ball comes, you instead of accepting that ball, we throw it back. So it will bounce and come back in some other ways. Okay. So can you, okay, yes, so you can write it at evening. I mean, like before going to bed. So before going to bed, if you try this, as soon as you wake up, the feeling is different. So you can definitely try it evening, Nandini. Yes. So we have Venkatesh sir. So part of almost every session, and he's an astrologer as well. So yes, sir. So warm welcome to you, sir. And
Thank you, madam. Thank you,
yes,
madam.
sir. Hello,
I
sir.
I was not here in the class for some time. I had my guests here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have been a ardent follower of all your classes. No, Astro for last class regarding that Astro PCM. It was very nice. It's working wonderfully, madam.
Wow.
I never used to see the character of the person because in astrology we don't see that. But now I am finding it so easy to correlate with their problem and their nature of doing means that emotional problems they have. So I can easily attend to that. Now, if a person comes without seeking for marriage and all,
Yes.
so I can see what character he is, and he is very selective. As you have told, all the characters from for all the planets, all the Rashis, no, madam.
Rashi, yes, sir.
So easy. It is so
Wow,
easy.
wow.
Now I am treating them with colors first. Zero, as you said, no, I didn't know whether you have explained it or not, but I didn't see the class till now. But zero works so well.
Wow.
So once I detox the body first, detox the emotion, detox mind.
Yes, yes.
Then only they can think about it the next step. They will be stuck in some place, some suppressed emotions and their own desires. Most of the girls now have so much of desires. So
Yes.
when you give them zero, they will realize what they are actually, and then think positively about your life, madam. I have so many cases now, right now.
Wow.
Some unsolved cases I had, unsolved cases. Now, one by one, I am treating about 10 to 12 cases they have settled now. So we're so working so well. The color numerology, color system, and astropol. Whatever you have taught, I am now putting all those into one package.
Package.
It will be easy.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much, madam. I have attended all your classes.
Yes, yes.
So good to have because I don't find once evening 6:20 if it is no classes there, I find so no classes there today.
Yes.
Because I am not attending any other class right now. I'm not attending any other class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So nice. Thank you so much, madam.
Yes.
Made my job very easier.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So glad to hear this, sir. I think before you got to know about me, sir, you were in a verge of giving up, sir. Like, I'm already done with all the course. So why should
I had so many personal problems also because my emotions were not so. I didn't find any direction. Now, after putting 7 and all those implementing all those things, chakra healing changed my life so much.
Wow,
Chakra
wow.
was
Nice.
changed my life so much. So now I got that strength from the chakra healing. I am now solving all the others problems also.
Yeah.
So apart from solving mine,
Yeah.
dealing with that.
Yes, sir.
Thank you
Amazing.
so much.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
madam.
I would like to share one more thing, sir, because in level 3, I remember you sharing about a person who had diabetes, sir.
Oh,
So
yes,
they
madam.
had
Yes,
given
madam.
one remedy to reduce heat in stomach. Yes, sir.
That was the best thing to happen to me also. I had some problem like about 3 months back. I
Okay.
immediately, and all my family members, oh, I have sugar, blood sugar. I said, don't worry about it. I have that remedy. So I use stomach relation, spleen, all those things I have now in my diary. So
Diabetes.
immediately when a person says, I have diabetes, don't say I have diabetes. You say it's blood sugar.
Blood sugar, yes, sir.
Reducing blood sugar is type 2 diabetes is very easy with
Yes,
all those
very.
stomach approaches you have given.
Yes.
And not eating sweets. Now they have started eating sweets now.
Wow.
They have started eating sweets. It is almost normal, madam. But that parameters nobody should worry about.
Yes,
They're
sir.
very old
Actually.
parameters, not about the Indian standards and the personal. You should
Yes.
see your personal, what you are in person. And food also, if you are in Udupi, it is different. In Bangalore, it is
It's different.
different. In Mysore, it is different. Food is also different. So that parameters also, and the work you do, the stress you put up on yourself is very,
Yeah.
very important, madam. Very, very
Yes.
important.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, there are so many things.
Yes,
A
sir.
lot of time is required to. I have all the cases with me, but I don't want to discuss all those here.
Okay,
Personal
okay.
cases.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Amazing, sir. Congratulations for all the
I should thank you for all these things. No, I am just putting what you have told into practice. That's all.
practice. Amazing, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your experience.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sorry for the delay, madam. I had some guests at home.
No,
I
no,
had
no.
to attend to them.
Yes.
Okay.
Awesome. So this is what colors can do. Unbelievable, right? Okay. So recently launched new course on Rashi and acupressure. Rashi, nakshatra. So depending on your nakshatra, depending on your Rashi, we have acupressure points, advanced research. It's not done by me, obviously from my teachers and who are expert in acupressure. This one course, it's a 3-day event. So all the chart and everything is given. So if you're interested, you can let me know. I'll share the recording. I'll share the chart as well. It has done miracles. So nearly 15 members have shared this feedback. Okay. So this is the thing. And this is what colors can do. And talking about diabetes, so see, for each person it's different. It's not like you try the same number. For example, Tulsi ji try number 3, Himali ji tried number 3 to law. So for every person, it's going to be different. So diabetes can happen due to your thought process also. It can be due to food. How to diagnose and come out of it. So this is how I'm going to explain everything with logic. Nobody will have thought like, why did she say 5 in purple color, 5 in yellow color? So you will understand the logic. So whenever you treat others, it's going to be easy. So I usually train therapists and all. So it's like, I don't do consultation. So even if anybody comes, I'll forward their number to my students because they have become so expert and I feel so happy. So these are the things, So yes. So I'm conducting a basic course on color numerology. So where we'll be diving deep into the concept of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So few numbers also. So it's for 3 days, and if you are interested, you can join in. And the course fee is going to be just 500 because I desperately want to give this kind of knowledge to everyone because everybody deserves it. Okay. And we were talking about number 4 in basic class, where you will see miracles, magic for short. Okay. Yes. So getting more angry for that. Okay. For anger issues, number 2 in light blue color. So left little finger below your nail plate. Right, number 2 in light blue color, light sky blue color. Okay. So diagnosing is very important. So just like that, we can't give any protocol, but in general, I can definitely tell you. So if you have anger issue, this is the protocol. Okay. But for diabetes and everything, yes. Okay. Writing number two on left little finger with sky blue color. So those who have mood swing, anger issue, and everything, they'll just come out of this. Okay. In basic class, we're going to talk more about number 0, number 1, 2, 4, and 7. Okay. Yeah, so just come with sketch pen. So make sure you all keep your notebook ready, pen, notebook, and sketch pens. That's all. We're going to talk about everything related to health, money, emotions, everything. Okay. So master class is so much. Imagine basic class, level 1, level 2, how much you're going to dive deep. Okay. Yeah. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. You can digitally raise your hand. Yes. Any question? Yes, Kavita ji, yes.
मैम ये जो क्लास आप ले रही है बेसिक क्लास ले रही है या एडवांस है? कलर न्यूमरोलॉजी का जो 500 रुपीज का है वो?
This is basic course, Kavita ji.
And what about advance?
Advance will be done after basic course is done. So we have procedures. Yeah.
लेकिन उसकी फीस क्या होगी?
So that is, as I will share all the content, details and everything. So that is going to be for like,
Okay.
yeah.
And
Yeah, yes. Yes,
और कभी से शुरू होगा ये बेसिक क्लास?
what?
बेसिक क्लास कब से शुरू होने वाला है? This
Okay,
basic
so
3 days class कब से
yeah.
शुरू होगा?
Okay, so I will share the details now. I will share it.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's going to start from 29th of July. Okay.
29th of July, okay.
29th, 29th and 30th will have class. On
Okay.
July 1st, purposely I'm giving break for everyone so that I will tell you why I'll give you break and everything. So third day will be on July 2nd.
29th June, madam.
Oh, sorry, June, sir. So June 29th and June 30th. Okay. And then July 2nd will be your third day. Okay. So we're going to that.
मैम आप ये बेसिक क्लास में 0 and 1 to 4 ही सिखाएगी, राइट? 1 2 3 4. So 5 6 7 8 in advance?
Yes.
5 6 7 8
you know
9
what,
number.
we'll be talking about every color, but in detail we're going to talk about 0 1 4
2.
7 also 7. Yeah, I'll
Okay.
just share the details. I'll share the PDF.
Basically.
Yes.
Repeat. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, welcome. Yes, Rajeshwari ji. Rajeshwari ji, I think you have joined after a long time, I guess.
Yeah.
Yes. So what's your question, Rajeshwari ji?
Ma'am, last time I had taken consultation with you for my uncle. It was worked very nicely, but they have stopped it. So I have forgotten what you had told, the colors and all.
Okay.
For liver problem.
Liver problem. Okay. I don't remember. It was very long back, I guess. I think 1 or 2 years back or something.
Yeah, maybe 1 year before.
Okay. So see, this is the problem. Okay. People try it once they feel they're all right, they will stop it. Don't do this mistake. Okay. Many people have this mistake. So they feel they're 100% fine. It's okay. Like, so you might think it's 100% I'm healed completely. But it'll be 60-70% healed version of you. Okay. And the 30-40% you'll just ignore it. So don't do that mistake, Rajeshwari.
And now today, whatever you have given, no,
Yeah.
those numbers we should try for 3 days, or it is for regular these numbers, not the zero part.
It's only for 3 days. 3 days, 1 month. 1 month.
About zero, you told 3 days and 1 month. The other two numbers you gave, no, 5 and 1.
Even that is same thing. 3 days. 3 days per week.
3 days.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. I hope I answered
Thank
your
you.
question, Rajeshwari.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Anand GK is asking about thyroid. Thyroid, let me tell you one simple protocol. You'll be surprised to hear this. I think many of my students have also tried. So left thumb, second phalange, just apply pink color. That's all. And please reduce stress. And those who give you a lot of stress, I don't know what to tell, but just ignore such people. That's all I can say. Those who are stressful for you, Madhavji is laughing. Because inside the session, she knows what all I talk. Okay. People will be there to trigger you, hurt you, and everything. But yeah, please ignore such people. So left thumb, second phalange, pink color. All your stress will be gone. You'll have the best sleep. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Okay, left thumb, second phalange, pink color. So shade this area completely with pink color. Okay. Yes. And Sandhya ji, yes, Sandhya ji.
Hi, Pooja.
Hello, Sandhya ji. Hi.
I'm audible?
Yes,
Hi.
you're audible.
How many numbers can we try per day? How
Per
many
day.
colors?
Okay, per day only one number, one color.
One number.
Yes.
Right now I'm trying 7 and 8. Before chakra class you said.
Okay. What exactly are you trying?
7 on left hand middle finger.
Okay.
And 8 on left hand. I'm
Okay.
trying right now that.
Okay. But is there any changes?
So can I try other number also?
Yeah, but what are the changes after?
Yeah, I'm feeling. My mind is calm. I'm not confused like before.
Okay.
I'm feeling like I'm going in right path.
Wow, that's the best
Something
feedback.
changes, but I can't explain it.
Yeah. I understand. Dil ki baat. Okay, understood. Amazing. So, Sandhya ji, definitely please try number 0. Please try
Okay.
number 0. So when you try number 0, make sure you try only 0, no other numbers, no
Numbers.
other color therapy concept also, because 0 is such a powerful number. Okay, many people have come out of kidney issues, liver issues, and diabetes also. So what Sir told, Venkatesh Sir told, just with the help of number 0. So try this, Sandhya ji. Try it for 3 days and get back to the same protocol. 7, 8.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sandhya ji, so after joining my sessions, how are you feeling in general? So before you got to know who I am and everything, and now how are you feeling?
Actually, before I was in very stress.
Okay.
I was on medication. No, also I'm on medication, but I'm feeling low. some directions to my life, like that.
Okay.
Before that, I was not having any aim or direction. Just I was going with the flow.
Yeah.
Now I can handle my own situations like my type.
Yeah.
I'm dealing with some toxic people, um, like before I used to take it very seriously. Now I am keeping all away from
Yeah.
my
Yes.
mind. Let them. I'm leaving all those toxic people to their.
Yes.
Let them say, I will live my life like that. I'm thinking.
Yes. Yes. That's amazing. Very nice, Sundari. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing your experience. And let me tell you,
Thank
toxic
you,
people,
Pooja.
only toxic people, and those who are those you feel who are negative to you will only transform your life.
Okay.
You know, so
Yeah.
just be grateful for such people. Okay. So
Yes.
those
Yes.
who were good to me, like my can be anyone, good family member, good friends and all. They will be good to you, you will be good to them. But if people are there to trigger you, to hurt you, insult you, you'll be like, let me challenge you, let me come out of this
Yes.
situation. So that will transform you. So please don't think that negative people are negative. They might also be very good for others, their family member. But why they enter your life, why they make you
Yeah.
feel
Yeah.
so bad about yourself so that you can change. So please make note of this one thing. Your
Yes.
life will change and you will never
Pooja.
look at your life in the same way. Amazing. Yes, Madhavi.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Welcome, Sunday.
Yeah, I just had this eye twitching. Suddenly, just yeah.
Yes,
I
Madhavi.
just want to know what should I do.
Oh, okay, I'll do one thing, Madhuji. So the symbol is there. I think you've already attended the session. Maybe you missed out on few things or something.
Yeah.
But I'll share it with you. You can try the symbol and numbers, Madhuji.
All right.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the session.
Madam,
Yes. Yes.
Madam, I want to talk.
You want to? Yes.
Yeah. You have suggested pink color on thumb, left thumb, but for hypo या hyperthyroid, yeah, for both.
Okay. Yeah. Very good question. It's for both hyper and hypothyroid. Both.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Trust
you.
me, see, there are advanced protocols. I'm not talking about thyroid. Any problem, so if somebody has backache, I can just tell put mutton seed over here and all. But if it's slip disc bulge, degeneration, whatever it is, so we have different protocol for everything. But let me tell you one thing for thyroid, there is no advanced protocol than this therapy, color therapy. Okay.
Okay.
Please try it for 2 months regularly and see your stress level will go down.
But for 2 months every day, yeah, for 3 days, then again 3 days.
Okay. Yeah. Again, good question. Relevant. Okay. You can try it every day, Kavitaji. Pink color
Okay,
oil
okay.
every day for 2 months. Doesn't have side effect at all. So when I say this blindly, you can try it. No side effect at all. Okay. And we all are women. We are told to suppress and keep it within ourselves. I was never like this, since my childhood. Directly I would just say it on their face, you don't torture me, else I will, as I'm super straightforward, But I know many people who are suffering like anything, suppressing their thoughts, emotions, and undergoing lot of things. So please don't keep this stress. It's of no use. Enjoy your life. Yes. Yes,
Okay.
Smitaji. Hello,
You want
Smitaji.
to share
Hello,
details?
Hello, Poojaji.
hello, Smitaji.
Hi.
After
Pujaji, you told na 7, 8 middle finger 0 in pink or black.
oh no. What did I say? What's Smitaji?
7 or 8 middle finger na.
Yeah.
Middle finger, both middle fingers.
Yes.
Below nail, you told 0.
No. I didn't tell.
Before that, in that Madam pink color told na 7, 8
No.
number. She
No, that was a different color and different number. No, I didn't say 0 here. 0 should be written only on your thumb, right thumb.
Right thumb.
Yes.
That's why I was confused.
Only if you feel anxious and oh my God, what to do suddenly.
Huh.
Suddenly have anxiety, depression. I'm unable to handle this situation. Only if you feel this way, then try pink color over here. Only on your right middle finger.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I was confused. That's why.
Is it okay? It's good that you asked this question because 0 can never, please, you can never write 0 randomly anywhere. Don't do that mistake. And that's why I'm telling you that this is the location for 0 only.
Atma.
Yeah. Thumb.
Thumb,
Atma
yes.
is left thumb. This is thumb.
Okay, I think.
Yes. Okay. And for one second. Somebody is asking for acidity, gastric acidity. Okay. A color therapy works the best. So if you're not there on my Telegram group, all the protocols are shared. So you can refer that chart, so you can fold your ring finger, just put dark green color on here. Is it good to do before going to sleep? Yes, Akka. Definitely. Okay. And more question. Chat box. I don't read. To get out of laziness, procrastination, and memory issue. Let me answer this. Some people might be like, okay, I don't even want to try the remedy. So the question is, what is the remedy to get out of laziness, procrastination? Please do a lot of inner work. You have so much of internal blockages. So the kind of questions you ask, I can understand what kind of blockages you have. Okay. Too much of suppressed emotions. See, people will insult you. Oh, you are so useless, you're so lazy. Why can't you do whatever work, within 1 hour? Why do you take such a long time and everything? It's because of your unhealed trauma. So whatever it is, come out of everything. You will be perfectly all right. And for this also, the solution is try number 0 over here for 3 days. Okay. After 3rd day, you can try pink color over here, because when your mood is different, your energy is different. When your energy is different, everything is different. So the kind of work you do also. Now, for namesake, you want to cook. You will be so passionate when you cook. Or when not only cooking, no, anything that you do it with lot of passion and energy. So all that you need is change in energy. That's all. Okay. Yeah. So any other question? Nandini Akka, you want to talk? Want to speak anything? Nagratna Akka. Netalji. Anyone?
Yeah, hi Pooja.
Hello Akka. Hi. How was the session?
Yeah, the session was very nice.
Yeah.
And after a long time, I got time to join you.
Yeah, very long time. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Actually, I was looking for this thyroid, and this number 0 on right thumb we can do.
Yes, right thumb.
Okay.
Right thumb, and also pasting in bedroom.
Yeah, that I got.
Yes.
This for right thumb is for?
Right thumb also. So this will clear all your internal blockage, emotional blockage.
Okay.
Yes.
I needed it.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, welcome. That's why
Yeah.
there's divine time for everything, you know. So, you know, nothing is coincidence. Even if you meet a stranger in road, if you catch any auto, you know, there is some reasons. Everything happens for a reason, and trust in this divine timing. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, awesome. Yes,
Thank you so much, Pooja.
yes, welcome. Yes, Hetal ji.
And we have to use dark pink or light pink
For what, Hetal ji?
for thyroid and for this second finger.
No, your voice is not clear. No, unable to understand.
We have to use dark pink or light pink.
Okay, pink color. I would prefer dark pink color, not magenta color, but proper pink color. If it's
This
in
is okay?
medium shade, it's fine. Yes, that's
Okay.
perfect. That's perfect. Yes.
They are also
Hetal ji, the size should be little big. It's
Okay.
small, so the size should be little big.
And for some also that this thing will do.
Yes. So the
Okay.
size should be big.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So that's it. So take care, everyone, and so make sure you all join basic course. So we'll be diving deep into you know, almost every numbers. So at least 6 to 7 numbers we'll be talking, you know, in detail. So make sure you all join in and make the most out of it. Okay. So take care and see you in the next session. Take care and bye, everyone. See you. Take care. Namaste. Take care.